Hey everyone, welcome back to Item Inc. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment down below, and subscribe to become part of our growing community. For information on compatible models, check the description down below. Today, we will discuss how to replace the fuser for the Lexmark MS321. Let's dive right into the video. For safety purposes, let's begin by unplugging your machine. First, remove the screw holding the controller board access cover that is located on the right side of the printer. After removing the screw, open the controller board access door. Then, disconnect the fuser cable from the controller board. Next, remove the rear cover by gently applying pressure up and pulling back on the cover. Locate and disconnect the fuser cables connecting to the exit guide and the power supply. Remove both screws on the left and right of the fuser. To remove the fuser, carefully slide out from the printer, making sure the cable is free. To insert the new fuser, begin by feeding the fuser cable through the slot. Next, carefully slide in the fuser by aligning it with the tracks inside the printer. Reconnect the fuser cables to the exit guide and power supply. Reconnect the fuser cable to the controller board. Once the fuser cable is connected to the controller board, the door can be closed. Fasten back the screw from the controller board on the back of the printer. Next, replace the right and left screws on the fuser. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws. Lastly, reinstall the rear cover by aligning the bottom tabs from the printer and closing. That's all for our quick guide on replacing the fuser for the Lexmark MS321. Hit that like button if it helped, subscribe for more, and check the description for details. See you next time at Item Inc.